What kind of a car is this? It is 1997 528i E39 chassis, 5-speed, 2.8 liter M52 engine, and it is a slick top. Can you believe that, guys? It's a slick top. Slick top. There's no sunroof. I didn't pay much for it. What do you guys think? It's pretty nice condition. I only paid like $1,100 for it. It did needed a lot of work, but I managed to finish all the work already. So check it out, guys. No sunroof, slick top. Month 7 of 1997. I have this piece right here in the trunk. Still needs small little things finished. Originally came, I mean, this is how it came originally. I bought it with some black interior. The previous owner installed some black interior. So what I did is I acquired original tan leather interior for it. It had some big chrome wheels that I replaced with stock wheels. Runs much better now. These are the center caps for the original wheels. CD changer does work. Does it have these tools? Yes, it does. Slick top, man. Can you believe it? It's a slick top. The tape player does work, and this is what I'm playing. Alright, so I'm gonna do some driving, and then I'm gonna post some videos of certain things that I repaired in this car, and I hope you enjoyed it. Slick top E39. Can you believe it, guys? Slick top. Check it out, guys. Runs like new. Slick top, baby, slick top. Runs great, but it's kind of quiet. It's too quiet for the manual. I like to hear the engine noise when I'm shifting. Like this, I could be in a second and I could be over revving it and I can't hear it. The exhaust system is way too quiet on this model. The reason why I bought it so cheap is because this intake boot was torn and the engine was hesitating. It threw a lean check engine lights. It was misfiring. So what I did is I bought this new boot aftermarket, only $10, and that's the only thing that it took to fix it. Took it off, as you can see, old rubber all cracked. Time to put the new boot in there. Easy. Cheap and easy, man. Look at it. Like factory. The leather on this steering wheel doesn't look so good, but I do have a spare steering wheel, and I'm going to install it right now. I will also get rid of the EWS system, anti-theft system. Get rid of the box. Connect the two fat wires that go to the starter. What I didn't know is eliminating EWS box also eliminates the safety clutch starter thing. I also have to remove the engine computer, Siemens MS41, and code out the EWS block. Otherwise the engine wouldn't. I have it connected to my bench flasher, and software is doing its thing. It's only 1 byte. Got my laptop, got the INPA cranking, diagnostic tool, just to make sure there's no codes on the engine after the flashing out the EWS system out of it. Common problem on these is that ignition cylinder can be spinning in its place. Instead of me buying a new one and getting a new key, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole, and then I'm gonna, as you can see here, I drill a hole and missed it by a 1/4 inch, and then I got it the next time. I drill a hole and just put in the screw in there to prevent this cylinder from spinning. As you can see, this pin there, it breaks off and the cylinder starts spinning in its place. So the easy fix is to drill the hole there and just put in the screw. I got the car on the lift just to inspect everything under the car, just to see if there's anything that I would need to be fixing anytime soon. As you can see, it has a massive exhaust system, massive muffler, dual muffler that quiets the engine down. You can't even hear it. The boots are good on the axles. Bushings seem to be good. These rear bushings do go bad, and then see right there. But on this one, it's all good. And then when that bushing goes bad, then the rear tires start wearing out fast. Stock Hella converters. Nobody cut them up. Nobody put some aftermarket crap on there. 5-speed ZF transmission. It's Arizona car, so there's no rust at all underneath it. Small oil leak somewhere that I need to find. That's gonna be all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I should have made this video a little bit longer, but I don't know what else to say. I mean, it's a Slick Top E39. That's the only thing interesting about it. So that's it. That's gonna be it for this video. Subscribe, like, and I'll make more videos for you guys. Thank you. Bye.